In this video, I'm going to show you how much money I have made on one of my YouTube channels in the past 6 months. This is even going to be a surprise to me. Now, if we look here on the right-hand side, you can see I manage multiple YouTube accounts. So this is just one revenue stream. Now, I share this with you because if you are also wanting to leave your full-time job like I did about 2 years ago, this will be helpful and motivating for you. Really quick here, I do not want to waste your time giving you a bunch of garbage, but you may see sites such as Social Blade, socialblade.com. And let's just type in my YouTube channel, my largest one so far, Andrea Jean Cleaning, and see what they say. Oop, there we are, Andrea Jean Cleaning. Let's click on that. So they're saying that my estimated monthly earnings are between $665 and $10,000. And my estimated yearly is $8,000 to $127,000. Let's see if Social Blade is right. And by the way, they're not. This website is garbage, or any other website trying to show you how much YouTubers make. And by the way, I have never done a brand deal. I did not leave my corporate job to then have to be told by a brand what to do and say in order to make any money. So if that interests you as well, keep on watching. You can see here on the YouTube how-to guide channel that my CPM is very low, $9.77. This is another reason that you can never guess what a YouTuber makes because their CPM varies from channel to channel and from video to video. Here is my Meditate Daily with Andrea Jean YouTube channel. Look at the CPM on this baby, $22. And on the meditation channel, it only has 6,000 subscribers, whereas this cleaning channel has almost 460,000 subscribers. But look at the CPM on this. $15. As your YouTube channel increases, often your CPM will increase. But your CPM is based on the type of people viewing your content and what you're creating content on, the age of your audience, their amount of disposable income, and what types of products and services they like to purchase. So here we are in Andrea Jean Cleaning. Let's just look at the revenue just using the Google AdSense program. This is not including any affiliate income or anything else of my own products and services. We have the last 28 days. Let's go ahead and search by custom. I'm going to choose 1/1/22 with an end date of July 9th. Let's go ahead and click apply. So for the past 6 months on this YouTube channel using only the Google AdSense program, I'm currently making just under $170,000. And if we multiply this by 2, assuming 6 more months of the year, this will be just shy of $340,000. Although your CPM tends to go higher at the end of the year. That's why you'll often see people doing Vlogmas or daily vlogging. Advertisers have budgets to spend at the end of the year. If you want to learn 5 additional proven ways to make money with your YouTube channel, even if you are not yet monetized, click the video on screen now and in the description box below. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.